Okay, in today's video, I'm going to show you guys how you can turn off the display here on this Proform Treadmill. As you can see, the display is on, and I had no way of knowing how to turn this thing off. There is no, off and on button on here, and the only way that I was able to turn it on and off was unplugging the thing completely. That wasn't until today that I learned that there is an on and off switch on this device here. So the way to turn off that display whenever you're not using it is over here on the front side of this. It's kind of hidden, but right on and off switch. You just flip that switch right there and that'll turn off the screen. And now the display is off. So that's how you turn a display off on your Proform Treadmill. If this video was helpful, go ahead and click a thumbs up on it. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I make how-to videos and tech videos all the time. I'd love to have you back in the next one. Take care.